Good morning everyone. This is the second video, lesson number 2, science class 5. So in the previous video we read about this one, that is germination of seed. Next topic we are having is the dispersal and its agents. So now before that, what is dispersal? Have you heard the word? When you are going from home to school or school to home, you all are dispersing from your class. That is dispersal. So in the plants, dispersal is the process by which seeds are scattered. That is, they are displaced from one place to another place, or they are scattered at different places from the parent plant, scattered away from the parent plant. Parent plant means from where they have got the seeds. So there are different agents of dispersal. Agents of dispersal means what are the different things? Agents of dispersal, that is, different things that help in scattering the seeds. And in these different agents, first one is wind. Now wind is, you see this book? These are the different agents of dispersal, and for wind you see this picture. So for those seeds which are dispersed by wind, they are the light seeds. They are having wings. Example, you will find cotton. Like cotton seeds, they are very light, and dandelion. With the wings, with the wind, they can move from one place to another place. So next is water. Next agent is water. So seeds of the coconut. So after wind, next agent will be water. So the seeds will be fibrous. It will be spongy, so that they can float in water. To float in water. And the examples will be coconut and lotus. That is, these plants, they can spread their seeds with the help of water only. Next, the agent is animals. See this, animals. So what happens is, animals are spreading the seeds by different ways. First one, fleshy fruits. Fleshy fruits means those fruits which are edible, which you are eating. Like you are eating mango, you are eating apple, and throwing the seeds at some places. So fleshy fruits eaten up by humans or animals, and the seeds are thrown. So when you suppose throw the seeds, they grow to a new plant. Next, when this comes, birds. They also same thing. They are eating or swallowing the food. They eat fruits or swallow their seeds. And whatever is undigested, if it is not digested, it comes out. Undigested seeds comes out, and a new plant can be grown. Next, some of the seeds are having sticky hairs. Or hooks or bristles. or they stick to the fur of animals or clothes, and they get carried away from one place to another place. Next you are having is explosion. See this one. Like this seed, if it is ripe, it will be this cover. If it is ripe or dried, it will be exploding itself and the seeds will be scattered. So you write this explosion, exploding the seed pod. That is, the whole seed, all the seeds are exploded. Seed pod, when it is exploding, when it is ripe, when seeds are ripe and pod is dried, it burst. So it is found in sprouting cucumber. Okay, now you go through this, and next page you are having this one, that is quick recall of page number 18. These are the answers. Write this in your copy as your homework. Okay, thank you. Write it.